I restocked the snack basket also, and I also added this cute little sign. The fruit snacks are usually a big hit. The goldfish are a big hit. The Pockies are a big hit also. But I also include some other things like ramen. We got granola bars, some candy, peppermints, oatmeal, and a variety of chips. So that is done and ready for the next guest. I also like to include some little flavored drink packets so that you can be sure to stay nice and hydrated after your night out on Broadway. I rolled up some towels. All of these towels will be going outside by the jacuzzi so that they aren't using our white towels and getting them dirty with all the mud and whatever else they go outside and do. I don't know if I've ever shown you guys the outside, so let me show you guys our newest amenity. This is our newest amenity. It is a 4-person hot tub. I'm sure you can fit more than 4 people in there, but 4 people hot tub with this nice canopy over it. These are just some chemicals because the last guest, I was gonna call it a pool. The last guest, the water in the jacuzzi was brown, so we had to empty it, and that's a whole nother thing. I can do a whole separate video on that if you guys are interested. We do have our hot tub safety rules right here on the top. We will get a better way of displaying this, but we do have them here, and we also have them in our guest book, our guest welcome book. This is a little bit of the backyard. A fire pit. We need to do a whole revamp on the fire pit, so stay tuned for a fire pit revamp video. I'm also gonna do some yard work. I might make that a separate video, doing yard work at my Airbnb. So all of the branches will be picked up and put in the fire pit so that the next guest can have some branches to burn. Our last guest did s'mores out there by the fire pit. I want to redo it and make it a tire swing, but this is what we have for now. I'll have to try to find some pictures of when we first did this fire pit. This fire pit was absolutely gorgeous, but now we did it last year. We redid it, I believe. And this is what it looks like now after the winter. Our benches are broke, so we'll have to figure out redoing those benches. That's why I said I'm gonna do a whole separate video for that. We're gonna get all of the soot out of here and have a nice base down off in the bottom. Kids love to play in rocks, so they did a number on that fire pit. We do have another fire pit right here. You can do s'mores on this one as well if you don't want to get out there and have the real s'mores experience. We do have this one here with seating around it. This is a gas powered fire pit. Just turn the gas on and ignite it and it will start fire. These lights up above us are new also. We put these in about a month ago. They are really, really cute. I will have to try to get some clips of them lit up and get some clips of them lit up during the day and nighttime for you guys. Let's head back in, and I'm gonna take a break, drink some water, eat my popsicle. I've been editing some TikToks and I've uploaded them to both TikTok and YouTube short. Now I need to go and upload them to Instagram along with the pictures that I'm going to be posting this week. I like to go week by week. Go ahead and post everything for that entire week. Pre-schedule it for that entire week. We just cleaned out this closet over here a little bit. I'm going to take, not that t-shirt rack, but I'm going to take the shirt thing back there and I'm going to put it in that closet. Those are all sublimation shirts right there. This little dresser I'm going to put in my bedroom next door. Then that rack is just going to go up against the wall. All the t-shirts will be in the closet. You guys have seen my t-shirt setup, so I'll probably show you guys revamping that, and it looks nice and cute and you can find what you're looking for. I'm going to try to do it small, extra small, small to medium to large to extra large, and then so on and so forth. I gotta figure out a way to do that with the number of shelves that I have. My vlogging camera, I would have recorded this on my vlogging camera, but it's dead. So I have it charging a little bit. It's 4:35. I'm probably just gonna go ahead and leave. I'll take the camera with me and charge it with me at home. I did some voiceovers for content, and I did a few voiceovers for the beginning part of this video, so I'll have this video edited and ready to be uploaded for next Friday. I already have this Friday's video uploaded and scheduled to go out, so just trying to get ahead so that I don't, you know, lose my little audience. I do have somebody checking in at the Airbnb tomorrow at 1 o'clock. They're checking in early because they're going to be in town a little bit earlier than 3. So we already have it pre-cleaned and ready for them to go in. So we said it's okay if they check in at 1 o'clock, no extra charge. I will take you guys with me on that tomorrow. That'll be the first project tomorrow morning. So see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. Let's head over to the Airbnb so that we can set the door code and make sure everything's all tidied up. So that we can make sure everything's all tidied up for our 1 p.m. check-in for our guests. At the Airbnb, it is all nice and clean. I just need to vacuum right there again because I took some stuff out the refrigerator, but